Hi viewers, this is Bhavya Nair and welcome to episode 2 of Financial Academia. Today we are going to talk about script selection, that is, we'll select the sectors and based on the sectors we'll select the scripts. Before you try your luck in trading, it is very much necessary for you to understand market and market trends. Now, apart from market trend, you need to understand the company's profile in which you are investing in. What are the company's product, then suppliers, customer, clients, expansion, diversification. Other than this, you need to know some parameters like PE ratio, dividend, EPS, capital structure. All this stuff is very important part before making any investment decisions related to any script. Now, how do I know how to select the sector? The best and easiest way to know about what is going in and around is through business news. So we have to make it a habit to check the business news every day from Monday to Friday between 9:15 to 10:15, because that is the time when your share prices fluctuate the most. Plus, you get information about which sectors are performing well, which sectors are not. So based on the news, based on the information about all the companies, you can decide which company you want to invest in. Now when I tell you to collect information through news channel, through business news, and then make your own analysis, make your own fundamental analysis, you will think that it is a tedious work. I have to sit and check out with EPS and dividend and PE ratio and so many stuff. It is very time consuming. But remember, if you want to earn a good amount of profit, you have to do your analysis by yourself. You cannot depend on any tips or any YouTube video which is rolling around and where they say ki please do buy this script. They just want some likes and some subscriptions. Apart from that, those tips doesn't work out. So please see to it that you do your analysis, you do your fundamental analysis, you study about the company properly, you collect the information about the company, update yourself with the news so that you don't make any mistakes in future and do not follow any tips. Now, considering the current COVID pandemic situation, the sectors that are performing well will be pharma, IT, then FMCG sectors. We know that there is panic buying in the market and also there is huge demand for vaccination and medicines. So that is the reason behind these sectors are booming up. So when I know that these sectors are performing well, so it becomes very easy for me to select the script from the sectors. Now before selecting, I have to do few fundamental analysis to it. Now just fundamental analysis will not help me for the selection of the script. There is, along with fundamental analysis, we have to do technical. But for today, we are just covering fundamental part, and that too not all parameters, but some important parameters which I feel may be useful for us to make investment decisions. Let us understand the first parameter, that is earning per share, or we call it as EPS. Now when a company makes lot of earnings from the sale of product, the first thing that they do is they will minus all the expenses they have incurred. That can be production expense, operation expense, and so on. So after the expenses, we call it as earning before interest and tax, or we can call it as EBIT. So from this earnings, you have to deduct interest if the company has any form of loan. That means if company has taken any bank loan or debentures, then they have to pay the interest. So that interest component has to be deducted from the earnings. Then they have to minus tax. After tax, if the company is paying any dividend, then the dividend amount will be deducted from the earnings. And then finally what remains is your net earning. Now that net earning gets divided among the shareholders. Now let me assume that XYZ company has 200 rupees net earning and its shareholders are 10. So this 200 rupees gets divided among 10 shareholders. So one shareholder's earning will be 20 rupees. Now the more the EPS, the better the company's performance, and the investors can select or shortlist those companies to invest in. The next parameter is PE ratio, or we call it as price earning ratio. It is the ratio of company share price to company's EPS. Now, why this ratio is important? Basically, it is also an indicator to select the script of your choice. Average PE ratio ranges between 13 to 15. The higher the PE ratio means the investors are paying more for the share price compared to its earnings. It also means that they feel that the particular company has good future prospects. So it's better to invest in high PE ratio companies. Now, similarly, when PE ratio is high, the shareholders feel that it has good prospects. So when the PE ratio is low, the earnings is more for the shareholders, but the growth prospects is very confusing over here. So shareholders don't have that much of confidence when the PE ratio is low. They don't know whether the company will perform well or not in future. The next one is the dividend. Now, we all know what is dividend. It is just like a reward given to the shareholders when the company makes a good amount of profit. Now, let us understand dividend payout ratio. Dividend payout ratio means total dividend paid out to the shareholder from the net income. Now, this ratio is also one of the parameters to select the script. The highest the dividend payout ratio, that means the shareholders are enjoying good percentage of dividend from the company's share. So again, this is the third parameter which you can consider before investing in any script. We did three parameters: PE ratio, earning per share, dividend. Now all these three parameters you need not sit and calculate. These things are easily available in Google or any trading platform. You have that software. You just have to insert the name of the company, and along with the chart, all these details will be readily available to you. You have to just select the script of your choice based on these parameters. The last is capital structure of the company. I feel that capital structure plays a very important role while selecting a script, because many people prefer to put money in debt-free company. That means the company which has not taken any sort of loan. Because when a company takes a loan, it has a liability called interest to be paid. So there are many investors out there who prefer to invest in a debt-free company, and there are other category of investors who don't mind even if the companies has raised debentures or shares. Any capital structure for them is fine till the company is performing well. Let's just summarize what we did in fundamental analysis. Now, one thing I want to make it clear is that fundamental analysis has lot many concepts, which includes reading of balance sheet, profit and loss statement, ratios, cash flow statement. But for this particular session, I just thought to pick up few important parameters that would help you to make your investment decisions. Next time when we meet, we'll do technical analysis, we'll select few chart patterns, and we'll try to analyze it. We'll check out with price variations, and yeah, that's all. Oh, by the way, if you like this video, do like and subscribe.